Summary of I Will Teach You to Be Rich by Ramit Sethi. Actionable advice for your financial success. Hey everyone! Today, I'm going to break down the must-read book I Will Teach You to Be Rich by Ramit Sethi. This book is packed with practical advice on how to manage your finances, and I promise, by the end of this summary, you'll have a clear roadmap to financial success. So, let's dive right in. Setting up a no-nonsense financial system. First things first, Ramit emphasizes the importance of automating your finances. Imagine not having to worry about missing bill payments or forgetting to save. Sounds amazing, right? Here's how you can set it up. Automate your savings. Allocate a portion of your paycheck to automatically go into your savings account. This could be 10 to 20% of your income. The key is consistency. Automate your investments. Set up automatic transfers from your checking account to your investment accounts. This helps you build wealth without even thinking about it. Automate bill payments. Enroll in AutoPay for all your bills. This ensures you never miss a payment and helps you avoid late fees. Mastering your credit cards. Ramit is a big advocate for using credit cards responsibly. Here's his advice. Pay off your balance. Always pay your credit card balance in full. This helps you avoid interest charges and build a good credit score. Negotiate fees. If you ever incur a fee, don't be afraid to call your credit card company and ask for it to be waived. You'd be surprised how often this works. Choose the right card. Look for cards that offer rewards or cash back on purchases. These perks can add up over time. Conscious spending. Spend lavishly on the things you love. One of the unique aspects of Ramit's philosophy is the idea of conscious spending. It's not about cutting back on everything, it's about spending extravagantly on the things you love and cutting costs mercilessly on the things you don't care about. Here's how to do it. Identify your priorities. List out the things you love spending money on. This could be dining out, travel, or hobbies. Cut back on non-essentials. Review your expenses and eliminate or reduce spending on things that don't add value to your life, like unused subscriptions or impulsive shopping. Create a guilt-free budget. Allocate money for your priorities and essentials and stick to it. This way, you can indulge in what you love without guilt. Investing for long-term wealth. Ramit makes investing sound less intimidating and more approachable. Here's what you need to know. Start early. The power of compound interest means the earlier you start investing, the more wealth you can build over time. Diversify your portfolio. Spread your investments across different assets to reduce risk. This can include stocks, bonds, and real estate. Invest in low-cost index funds. Ramit recommends investing in low-cost index funds as they offer broad market exposure with minimal fees. Regularly rebalance. Periodically review and adjust your portfolio to maintain your desired asset allocation. Crushing debt. Debt can be overwhelming, but Ramit offers a plan to tackle it head-on. List all your debts. Write down all your debts, including the balances, interest rates, and minimum payments. Pay more than the minimum. Paying only the minimum keeps you in debt longer. Aim to pay extra whenever possible. Use the debt snowball method. Focus on paying off the smallest debt first while making minimum payments on others. Once the smallest is paid off, move to the next smallest. This builds momentum. Negotiate lower interest rates. Contact your lenders to see if they can lower your interest rates. Every bit helps. Boosting your income. Ramit isn't just about saving money, he's also about making more of it. Here are his tips. Ask for a raise. If you're doing great work, don't hesitate to ask for a raise. Prepare your case by highlighting your achievements and contributions. Start a side hustle. Find ways to earn extra income outside your main job. This could be freelancing, consulting, or starting a small business. Invest in yourself. Continuously seek to improve your skills and knowledge. This can make you more valuable in the job market and open up new opportunities. Conclusion. Take action now. To wrap it up, I Will Teach You to Be Rich by Ramit Sethi is packed with actionable advice that can transform your financial life. The key takeaways are to automate your finances, use credit cards wisely, spend on what you love, invest smartly, crush your debt, and boost your income. Remember, the most important step is to take action. Start implementing these strategies today, and you'll be well on your way to financial success. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips on achieving financial freedom.